Welcome back to Coptool. I'm Rob alongside Sarah, and here's what's happened this week in the world of power tools.
We deal with an addiction to Metabo, and TRZ jumps in the bushes.
Kyle explains to us why he needs 3 different miter saws, and we get a life lesson from Gary Katz himself.
Those stories and more coming up next.
This is your Coptool Week in Review. We start off this week with the guys at Workshop Addict who put the new Metabo HBT multi-volt 7 1/4 inch circ saw to the test. And they almost can't fit the compliments in just one video. The saw has several unique features, including an AC adapter, which is an industry first. It also features a silent mode, something Sarah says she wishes I had. That's such a dumb joke.
I like it.
Before you buy another circ saw, check out Workshop Addict on YouTube.
Tuesday was just another day around the Coptool studios until Kyle renamed them Toolsday. This week he didn't disappoint and gave us a general look at 3 different cordless miter saws from Milwaukee, Metabo, and Makita. Instead of lists of specs, he shared his real-world experience that he has gained from using all 3 of these saws on the job site. The 15-minute video is packed with good info, all of which you can find at RR Buildings on YouTube.
I was caught off guard by Stuart over at ToolGuyd this week when a photo of a Bosch and Lomb Loupe caught my eye on his website. Now, as an old school photographer myself, I'm quite familiar with loupes. I used to use them to view negatives.
What are those?
Good Lord, you're young. Stuart highlights a 5X version he purchased for his shop, and I'll be honest, I never had one in mine, but the article and comments made me realize just how often a small bit of magnification would really help with fine woodworking. The best part? This one's only $9. If you could benefit from a bit of magnification yourself, you can read more about it at toolguyd.com.
Recently, Milwaukee surprised us with the new QuikLok OPE multi-tool, and the entire set just landed in the tool review zone. Clint wastes no time hyping the crap out of this thing, giving us a quick example of the string trimmer, edger, hedge trimmer, and pole saw. Now, I'm a big TRZ fan for sure, but for the first 6 minutes I was surprised at how informative and, well, normal this video was. Then this happened.
Look at it just hanging out. So easy to use. Just makes me want to dance.
There it is. If you have 5 types of yard work you'd like to get done with just one tool, hit up Tool Review Zone over on YouTube.
Hey, look at me! Not at, anyone else. So, how's Mom?
Ready?
It's time for Sarah's Project of the Week.
Hey guys, so this week both of my projects are over on Instagram. The first one comes from the land down under, where the Fire Globe artist from Australia creates these gorgeous one-of-a-kind fire pits for your backyard, deck, or patio. Carrie Ann custom designs each of these crazy detailed steel globes for her clients by drawing out the design and then cutting them all by hand. Now, she gets a lot of inspiration for her designs from the nature that is all around her, and the result is breathtaking. You can find all of Carrie Ann's globes on her Instagram. All right, now the next project that I have is from a 13-year-old Lucas Maxwell. Lucas is a young, ambitious welder who loves to make things with metal. He has a pretty creative imagination and has made several sculptures from scrap metal, hex nuts, and bearings. He also has made a couple pretty sweet tables. He's new to the Instagram world, so go check him out, give him a follow at Creative Creations Fab, and leave a comment of encouragement to keep on creating. Now, that's all of my projects that I have for this week. If you find a project you think I should feature on the show, go ahead and send it to me in an email at projects@coptool.com.
The TIA crew is slowly getting settled in their new shop and getting back to tool reviews this week, starting with a new connected LED job site light from DeWalt. The guys predictably blind each other with it, but don't seem to settle on a good use case. Hanging 10 of them from the rafters and using the remote to turn them all on sounds great until, as Dan points out, you have to climb up and replace 10 batteries. Eventually, Eric suggests we take it camping, which is literally why I plan to camp this weekend. Just, without that $200 light.
It's 20 degrees out.
All right, so never mind. The guys tell us they have a lot of work to do on their new digs, so be sure to subscribe to Tools in Action on both YouTube and Instagram to keep up to date on their progress.
Throughout the week, several creators were all talking about a new king of measuring tapes from Crescent Lufkin. The Shockforce 25-foot tape features a staggering 14-foot standout. For those of you who don't know, standout is mainly a bragging right for board carpenters on the job site.
Dude, look how long.
Stop, no, put it away.
All right. Ow.
Oh my gosh. The new tape checks all of the right boxes, including wide surface, large numbers, big fall rate, and most importantly, it is far more compact than its competitors. You can read all about it on our blog at coptool.com.
To wrap up this week, we're stopping by Instagram, where Toolaholic shared his love of the Bosch 18-volt canister vac, calling it f***ing impressive. Ah, come on, not this again.
You can't say freaking.
Yeah, but you can. Why? Sorry. To understand my complaint, go find this video. Anyways, Kiefer goes on to praise its onboard storage, hose management, not to mention the significant power. Now, he's promising us a video eventually, but for now, you can just about go into anaphylactic shock looking at the dust he's picked up. Keep an eye out for that video at Toolaholic on Instagram.
And last of all, Gary Katz of the famous Katz Roadshow posted a story on Instagram this week. Now, he talked about the temptation that tradesmen feel being around expensive materials and products that they install for their wealthy clients. You install the best for them, so why not put that $12,000 marble slab in your own shower? Well, Katz suggests you're better off with choices he's made, like simulated marble, which is beautiful, but it doesn't break your bank. And he reminds us that tradesmen tend to fluctuate with the market. When the stocks are up, tradesmen have work. When the stocks are down, the rich guys don't really buy marble slabs. So being prudent with your personal purchases is a good idea, and we agree. For more great life lessons and a whole bunch of woodworking tips, you can find Gary M. Katz 1 over on Instagram.
That's going to do it for us this week, guys. Before we go, let's talk contests. Sarah, who won our DeWalt jigsaw last week?
Yes, Paula from Massachusetts won the DeWalt jigsaw, the Bear tool. So congratulations,
Congrats.
Paula. Super excited about that. What do we have this week?
So if you follow our channel, you may have seen that yesterday on Thursday, we posted a new video called the Coptool Power Tool Showcase, where we take a tool that's been around for a little while and we help point you to the very best content that's been made for that tool and then give it away in a contest. So
what do we have?
Yeah, I'm really excited about this. So
Ooh.
this is one of my favorites. I love playing with this thing. So this is the DeWalt.
Don't play with it.
I play with it.
Don't play
This is a flexible cut-off saw. It actually comes with both concrete diamond cutting blade and also metal cutting abrasive disc as well. It's a monster. All the videos that we found that we feature in the showcase absolutely back that up. We highly recommend you go watch that video to learn a lot more about the saw, and of course, you can win it yourself by going to coptool.com/contest.
Do I get batteries with this one?
All right, leave me alone. Yes, this is a brand new saw. It comes with 2 huge flexible batteries. It comes with a charger. It comes with a whole bunch of discs and cutting blades. It's great. So you'll be ready to cut your way to your mailbox and run water and electric out there for some reason. So.
Oh my gosh. All right, guys, don't forget you can get the limited edition March t-shirt over on our Teespring store.
Yep.
And I wanted to go ahead and thank Ohio Power Tool for sponsoring the show again this week. Thank you, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe and ring that bell so you do not miss a thing, and we'll see you guys next week.
See you.